Finally, the reality we face today in Kenyan politics, I will say it today here without contradiction, with utmost respect. Kenyan politics is based on arrangements and programs where political parties negotiate for what they take to their counties and areas. We have decided that as a community and as Kenyans, we are also going to set up our own political party. We are going to produce our own candidate who will negotiate with the president and all the other people who are running for political office in this country. And that candidate is none other Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Tumusimamishe na yeye atafute urais. Hebu nionyeshe hivi. God bless you all. Waziri, we will work with the president. We will support him. If he does very well from now until 2026, we will negotiate with him tumshirikishe naye. Lakini kama anashindwa, baba, tuna farasi na kimbia kama farasi ya ngoma. Karibu Solicitor General, my brother, come and say a few words. God.
Ningependa kusema Bwana CS ni kwamba sisi kama jamii ya OMC, while we support you as our CS and as our SG na viongozi wengine wote katika serikali, sisi tungependa kuambia hata kama tuko shuleni, sisi pia tuko na kijana wetu wa hapa nyumbani ambaye tunampaka mafuta, tunataka akuje kukutana na President William Ruto unyo kwa unyo 2027, anaitwa Fred Matiang'i.